Hi, my name is Kimberly, and this is my presentation. I'm going to start with family. Um, I have a 6-year-old little boy that I have adopted, and I've had since birth, and this is my fiance, Derek. Education. I graduated high school in 2010, and then when I started working at daycare in 2017, I was introduced to the CCC, which is the Commonwealth Child Care Credential. And after that, I continued on and got my CDA, which is a Childhood Development Associates. And then after my CDA, Miss Carol talked me into going to college to further my degree. My favorite book, I don't have one. I have a favorite author, which is Jamie McGuire. Out of her book series, my favorite's probably Beautiful Disaster and Walking Disaster. Favorite movie? My all-time favorite movie is probably Coyote Ugly, shortly followed by Cruel Intentions, Bring It On. My favorite series is probably Z Nation, followed by True Blood and Walking Dead. Favorite food? Pizza. Pretty much any kind of pizza. But my top is chicken bacon ranch and, of course, breakfast pizza. Favorite vacation spot? My top favorite is Mexico Beach. It's so pretty down there. It's not a lot of people. The sand is so soft. Followed by Gatlinburg and Nashville. Favorite things to do in my free time? Just hanging out with my family, reading, writing. I like to go fishing with my fiance and his friend. I absolutely love riding four-wheelers, even though I haven't in a long time. The biggest influence in my life would have to be my dad. He was always kind to everyone, treated everyone nicely, and yeah. Where would I love to travel to? I don't have a certain place to go. I love traveling in general, so pretty much any and everywhere. And that's my presentation.